Hello friends! Today's makeup look is brought to you by concealer. I have been sick for the past week and I cannot kick this throat thing, so bear with me and my beautiful voice. Today we're going to take a look at the winter Causebox. It came in the mail just in time for me to go on vacation, which is why I'm filming while I'm sick. Otherwise I would have just waited, but I'm leaving tomorrow, so we're just gonna have to roll with it. I also would like to point out today that although I am this sick, I cleaned my makeup brushes. I think we should all have a moment of applause for me because I don't know how that happened. Without further ado, let's open up this box. This is an item that I got to customize the color for, so I, of course, chose like the most neutral, non-obtrusive thing. Oh, it's really soft. Honestly, this is just gonna be a blanket for me because I don't really wear ponchos and I'm a little scared about it. Oh, I think it's just like a shawl. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm supposed to like wear this outside or something, but like I don't think that's going to happen. This is like I'm home and I'm in a blanket and my upper body's also cold, but like it's not cold enough for me to put a hoodie on, and yeah, this is just fever problems. I'm already too hot because my body does not know what temperature it is anymore. Now, I have one blank postcard. Y'all, this is my favorite part of every freaking box of my life because they all give you postcards. Like, I don't get it. Yeah, let me just mail my friend a postcard that like has a company's name and like advertisement on it just to be like, hey bitch, you should buy this. Like, I don't get it. I am unreasonably distressed by this, and my battery, of course, is dying. BRB. Okay, I have no idea what's in the rest of this box. I think the poncho is the only thing I customized, so everything else in here is a complete surprise. So, the first thing, obviously, that is sticking out to me is this, like, jar of grass, so let's look at it. It is a detox spearmint and floral facial steam. I did not know this is a thing. Is this, like, tea for your face? I feel like I would just have this around just to smell it. Like, I'm really worried this would break out my skin. I'm gonna smell it, though. Let's smell it. Yeah, it's like a tea that you can't drink. Let me consult my booklet. Aw, geez, there's just a facial steam guide. I don't think I want that. Also, can we just take a second and look at how little of the stuff is in her bowl? Like, that's not what I thought this was going to be. Like, look how much stuff is in here. And you're supposed to, like, sprinkle it onto the water? I'm so baffled by this product. There's a planner in here. We've got a regular old month view. This is great. And every day of the week is like a little box with a few lines. I actually like this idea. I've been considering different like week and day layouts just in my own mind for like what I think works best for me. So I actually am interested in trying this, and I like that there's like a little blank section on the bottom too. But I think this will be cool because it forces you to like really focus, but I like to put what my work meetings are for the day in my paper planner, but also like things I want to do, excuse me, things I want to do at home, things I want to do on my projects, things I want to do for this channel and this blog and my other blog and my writing and,
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
This is an interesting thing to throw in here because I feel like planners are very personal and everyone has their own sort of system. So it's kind of risky to just like give a bunch of people planners, but I guess they kept it like pretty simple and generic enough where most people would like it, and then if you don't like it, you could just gift it. All right, we've got some wireless earbuds in here. Another interesting choice. I say this with every Causebox, but every time I'm like very surprised by the variety of things they put in here. It's like really truly random. Anyway, let's look at these earbuds. They are called the Crescent. Ooh, they're marble patterned. I feel like such a basic white girl, but I actually really do enjoy marble pattern stuff. Oh yeah, like my pop socket on my phone. Yeah, I know. So this is the charging cable. Fantastic. I'm probably gonna mistake this with every other charging cable I have. That sounds like a me problem though. Anyway, let's look at the earbuds.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
The one downside of these headphones to me is how big the like thingy is with the buttons on it. Alright, so in here there's a card. It tells me how to use these. Fantastic. There's a link to actually read the documentation. The other side of this says, good for business should mean good for the world. This company is called LSTN. I guess it's just listen without the vowels. It's like every company nowadays has a name like that. They use proceeds from every purchase to give hearing aids across the globe through their charity partner, Starkey Hearing Foundation. That's really awesome. I love that. That is so cool. Moving on. We are pretty close to done here. This is a metallic package. I'm very intrigued. It says the Metamorphic Jade Roller. It says an ancient beauty tool to encourage lymph drainage and promote blood circulation for relief of facial muscles. Oh man, lymph drainage sounds pretty good to me right now. There's no instructions. Oh god, I have to look up how to use this. Just kidding, it's on the sticker on the front. Okay, the instructions are titled The Way We Roll. We love those puns, right? It says roll stone across face in an upward motion, store at cool temperature for extra relief. Relief from what? So I guess you just like do this on your neck to like roll yourself? I don't know, I'm gonna have to look into this more. I have a feeling that I can find some information and figure out why I would want to do this to myself. I guess if all else fails, I can just pet my dog with it. I'm sure she would love it. It's like a dog massage. Last but not least, there is a necklace in here, and as I'm looking at it, I'm remembering I did customize the jewelry. So I could either have chosen a necklace or earrings. I chose a necklace because I just tend to wear necklaces more, and I felt like the earrings were a little too big for my taste. So it's just a ring in a circle. Kind of love it. I'm a fan of like very simple geometric stuff. I feel like this necklace is still quite large. I think the chain is long though, so it would like hang down there or something, you know. That's pretty cute. Now this says it is made in India. It's fair trade, handmade, sustainable, non-toxic metals, and funds community development. I kind of wish I had a little more detail on that. Let me consult my booklet again. And it's about how they do their stuff. I want to know what they fund though. I don't know, man. There's this whole article and I don't know what exactly they fund with this. That is it for my Causebox unboxing today. Thank you so much for watching and for listening to this beautiful sultry sound coming out of my mouth right now. Oh my goodness. I think she kind of loves this. She's so relaxed right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're looking for me, you can find me at any of the social media handles that you'll see down in the description box. Or as always, you can find me at broadforbeauty.com. Thank you again for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found it enjoyable. I'm gonna go massage my dog for the rest of the day and cough myself into oblivion. So, see you later. Bye!